It's 10:29 p.m. December 12th, 2011. Um, it's pretty much coming into Asian session here, kind of pre-market on London, and looking at a 5-minute chart. One thing we saw, well, going back to an hourly, it's pretty clear we're in a downtrend, right? I mean, it's just been significant amount of selling over the last few sessions. So, we came into an area of support on a longer term chart. You won't be able to see it here. It's a 5-minute. But what you can see is there's some consolidation. We have consolidation for maybe 6 or 7 hours here through the slow part of the day. And one thing that we just saw recently was a break above this range, and it was a nice clean break. And we pushed up to the next level of resistance, which is the swing point right here, and price is consolidating a bit. So the price action is pretty slow, but one thing that's pretty clear is we have this pullback. There is a lack of interest in the buyers on this, what should be a continuation leg, and on this 5-minute candle, we close cleanly below the swing point, trapping the buyers, in this area. So anybody long from this cluster here is in trouble at the moment, at least. So what we're seeing now is a retest of the top of that range, and if buyers are going to step it up, this is the place to do it. If we close back below here, then odds are we're going to see the bottom of this range, come into play. My entry could be seen as aggressive, because I'm getting short before we get back into the range. But I'm looking at it in terms of this picture right here, and we've seen quite a bit of selling pressure coming into these lows. I know that I'm definitely on the right side of the trend for now, and I'm going to use that to my advantage. So I don't mind being a little bit more aggressive to get in at a better price. That's just the mindset behind this trade, and we'll see how they want to push this coming into London. But I'll be keeping an eye out on the 1-minute chart to see if we can take out any sort of swing point, or if the structure starts to develop, it might be key that there's some sort of accumulation going on here. But that's it for now.